The stream is starting soon. Let's talk about when severe weather may impact you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is on the way. Starting soon. Severe weather may soon be near you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is forecasted. Come on and let's talk about it. The stream is starting soon. Let's talk about when severe weather may impact you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is on the way. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather may soon be near you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is forecasted. Come on and let's talk about it. The stream is starting soon. Let's talk about when severe weather may impact you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is on the way. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather may soon be near you. The stream is starting soon. Severe weather is forecasted. Come on and let's talk about it. The stream is starting soon. Let's talk about when severe weather may impact you. This is a CFR storm chasing severe weather update live stream. And now here is Damon Clark.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to give another update here. We're going to get started into severe weather coverage momentarily as well. We already have actually a severe thunderstorm warning that's considerable threat tag entering our region right now into western Kentucky. Did want to go ahead and say what has changed from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center. We have got a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for much of central and western Kentucky. That's in effect until midnight tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch 516 being issued again until midnight tonight. That's for much of central and western Kentucky. Includes parts of Illinois as well, Indiana. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour possible. Isolated very large hail events up to 2 inches in diameter possible, and a tornado or two also possible. Again, I want to remind you, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather in and close to the watch area. Weather conditions can change rapidly, and stay up to date for like local and weather updates. So be mindful of that. What has changed in the update from the Storm Prediction Center? Not a lot, but one thing. They have extended the 2 percentile tornado risk within a 25-mile given point. That's in this green area. And it is now through western Kentucky down into northwest Tennessee. So that is the only thing that has changed since the last update. What we're concerned mainly, we have this 30 percentile damaging wind threat within a 25-mile given point. That's where we can see those 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts scattered in here. And that's pretty good odds, 30% within a 25-mile given point inside of this area. So pretty likely we're going to see some damaging wind gusts, at least across the area tonight. Possibility of seeing a few tornadoes as well. As of right now, since we got this warning entering the region, we're going to cut over and start severe weather coverage, and we'll be with you right after that.
This is a CFR storm chasing severe weather coverage live stream. Live stream severe weather coverage starts now. Using radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storm. With team coverage here is Damon Claude and the CFR storm chasing team.
Alright, so we did our first severe thunderstorm warning entering northwestern Kentucky already. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, considerable threat tag, 70-mile-an-hour wind gust. This is issued by the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Paducah, including southwestern Indiana here, Vanderburgh County, southern Posey County in southwest Indiana, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Crittenden County in western Kentucky, northwestern McLean County in western Kentucky, northeastern Hopkins County in western Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, and Webster County in northwestern Kentucky. That's in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight. At 6:13, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Henderson to 6 miles northwest of Uniontown, moving to the southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard is 70-mile-an-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. It's a radar-indicated threat right now. This does include Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 124 and 148, and Auburn Parkway between mile markers 1 and 5. Again, that's considerable threat tag. They've also just extended that warning down a little bit further.
Destructive severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yeah, that's a destructive warning now. 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts being reported now. Believe this is still radar. Yes, it's still radar indicated. So that's a destructive severe thunderstorm warning now. Particularly dangerous situation. This is for southwestern Henderson County and northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Crittenden County and western Kentucky, northern Caldwell County and western Kentucky, central Hopkins County and northwestern Kentucky, Union County and northwestern Kentucky, Webster County and northwestern Kentucky until 7:15. At 6:28 Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Gauden or near Breckenridge Center to near Uniontown, moving to the southeast at 45 miles or 40 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm. Will be near Morganfield, Dixon, and Providence, as well as Madisonville. Hazard 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts now. Source radar indicated. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 116 and 134. Again, this is destructive tag. Particularly dangerous situation now. If you know anybody that's traveling, I-69 in Kentucky between mile markers 116 and 134, need to get to a sturdy building off the highway. Reminder, we don't want to park under overpasses. That is a very dangerous situation as well. They can get you into trouble very quickly. So let's take a look at our velocity scans here. And see what we're seeing. This is off of the... Actually, I'm going to swap over to the Fort Campbell radar. Fort Campbell's not really giving me what I need. I thought it would. Alright, let me swap over to Paducah.
Attention, a new special weather statement
I'm
has
seeing
been
about
issued.
60 mile an hour here, just across Highway 60 near Morganfield. They're saying 80 mile an hour wind gust. Unless they're seeing something that I'm not. They get paid the big bucks, so we'll go off what they're saying. So over Highway 60,
Attention, this
just to
flash
the
flood warning
east
has
of
been
Morganfield, the storm's going to continue to track to the southeast. So let's take it back to velocity or reflectivity here and go to our tracking tools. Maybe. Anybody home? Maybe. Maybe not. All right. Well, apparently that's not going to work right now. And I don't know why.
Attention, a new special marine warning has been issued.
Alright, well, let me see if it'll do that on my other device here.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Let's see this latest warning. 45.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Alright, so Madisonville in 26 minutes. Bremen in 36 minutes as well. We have this other storm further to the west here. That's going to be also a problem here momentarily. It is so hot and humid outside. It is going to be rapidly intensifying as well as this one did. So I'm watching this cell here as well. Right now, it's just 60 mile an hour wind gust as of right now. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Main concern, crossing Highway 60 now, going through US 41 along Interstate I-69, anywhere from Henderson further to the south here, going into the northern part of
New
Madisonville.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Okay, we just got an update. Let's see what they're saying now. It wasn't that one. It must have been this one. Well, okay. Well, the system said we got an update, but radar says we didn't. Alright. Well, we'll just keep an eye out and see if it updates here momentarily. But we do have a tornado possible tag on this as well. So be mindful that could also spin up pretty quickly. It may not even be caught on radar either. We do have a little bit of rotation right here. Just south of 60, coming up on 56. Just to the northeast of Broadway, in 141. Let's see here. Also, a lot of damaging winds just to the south of that as well. At about 60-mile-an-hour winds is what I'm showing. But again, National Weather Service saying 80, so they're seeing something I'm not.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So we'll go over this again. Destructive severe thunderstorm warning. This is for southwestern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Crittenden County in western Kentucky, northern Caldwell County in western Kentucky, central Hopkins County, Union County, and Webster County. That's in effect until 7:15. Again, this is a destructive storm. Morganfield, Dixon, and Providence, as well as Madisonville. 80-mile-an-hour damaging wind gust. Interstate 69. Between mile markers 116 and 134. That's our main thing as of right now. Again, that's severe thunderstorm watch continuing until midnight tonight for the entire area, and could see some additional development up here as well tonight that'll push through. So, anytime between now and midnight, we're under the gun for severe weather.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Okay. I'm going to put y'all on a break, and I'm going to try to sort out why my tracking tool is not working. I'll be right back with you.
You're watching severe weather coverage.
Attention, a new special
From
weather
CFR
statement.
Storm Chasing. Using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms. CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. Our force WKSS now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornado. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA weather radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. A tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather, and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today. And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
Alright, we're back, and I think I've got that sorted out now. We got an update to the radar actually earlier this afternoon, and I had to go through some different settings, but I think I've got everything worked out now. Again, we're still watching our destructive severe thunderstorm warning. That's still in effect now for Crittenden County, Northern Caldwell County, Hopkins County, Union County, and Webster counties in Kentucky until 7:15. So that's the storm that has our eye right now. Continue to watch the storm back up to the north and west of that one. We'll see what the latest they have up there is. This is from the National Weather Service Paducah as well. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wayne County and southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County and south central Illinois, and eastern Hamilton County in south central Illinois until 7:15 at 6:27 Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Wayne City, or 10 miles north of Murfreesboro, moving to the southeast at 40 miles an hour. Some of these names, I'll tell y'all. Hazard 60 mile an hour wind gust. Source is emergency management. So emergency management has actually
this
reported
severe
damage
thunderstorm
here.
warning has been updated.
Okay, we got an update to our warning, our destructive warning, so we'll get to that here momentarily. This includes Interstate 64 between mile markers 94 and 119. So that's our storm further up to the northwest that we're watching. Did just get a warning. Okay, they've taken off our destructive warning. They're saying a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 for southwestern Henderson, northeastern Crittenden, northern Caldwell, central Hopkins, Union, and Webster counties. At 6:44, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Roberts or near Dixon, moving to near Breckenridge Center to the southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard now 70 mile an hour damaging wind gusts. Still a radar indicated threat. This does include Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 116 and 134. They have downgraded it from a destructive warning to a considerable warning. Still needs to be taken really seriously versus our normal off-the-wall garden variety severe thunderstorm warning. This is a little bit up from that. We were a lot up from that. This is a destructive warning. We downgraded a little bit, but still need to be taking this warning more seriously than others. 70 mile an hour wind gust, again, still radar indicated with it. Also, still have that tornado possible tag as well. So don't want to forget that. It can spin up a tornado very quickly, sometimes between radar scans. We don't necessarily get that information out until it's already happened sometimes in these type of systems. So, still, let's take a look at that speed again. 40 mile an hour to the southeast. It is a custom path. I'll get off of that. Okay, let's try this again.
New information.
Alright,
This
so
severe
Madisonville at
thunderstorm
7:09,
warning has been
Providence at
updated.
7:10, Calhoun 7:12, Arlington at 7:15, Dawson Springs 7:27, Greenville 7:34, Hopkinsville 7:57, and Elton at 8:09. So that is our times right now with this system. Rough estimate again: Madisonville 7:09. Providence 7:10, Calhoun 7:12, Ellington 7:15, Dawson Springs 7:27, Greenville 7:34, Hopkinsville 7:57, and Elton at 8:09. So let's put a track on this other one to the west of that. Let's see what our speed is up here. Still got this warning in effect and it's been updated as well. It remains in effect until 7:15 for northwestern White and southeastern Hamilton counties up here in Illinois. It's moving to the southeast at 40 miles an hour, 60 mile an hour wind gust. Emergency management threat with that storm, so they do have damage. So it's at 40 mile an hour as well. So we're going to track. Whoa, that messed up on me. This is just going to be a rough estimate time. Alright, so Gakanda at 7:54, Marion at 8:02, Smithland at 8:17, Eddyville 8:25, Princeton at 8:29, Dawson Springs at 8:32, Katie's at 8:54. Would be, yeah, that's the furthest we can go out right now. But Katie's at 8:54, so we still got quite a while watching these warnings. As of right now, though, let's see, we still got the considerable threat tag. So, yeah, we're going to stay with you just in case we get any other warnings, like a tornado warning or something. But as of right now, we just got the considerable threat tag. So we'll see if they come up with anything else with that. Do want to go back over our watch. If I can get that pulled up over my other device here. Alright, so yeah, severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight tonight. That's for portions of southern of Illinois, southwest Indiana, and western into central Kentucky until midnight tonight. Primary threats with this system include scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 mile an hour, isolated very large hail
Attention,
to
a
2
new
inches in
special weather
diameter,
statement has been
and
issued.
a tornado or two, all possible as we go through midnight tonight from now. Alright, I'm going to send y'all to a break. I'm going to take care of a couple other things here real quick, and then I'll be back with you momentarily.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms, CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground.
Attention.
Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornadoes. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. A tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather, and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for help. And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
Alright, we got another warning now. This is for our storm further off to the west. Just issued by the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Paducah. This includes southern White County and southeastern Illinois, eastern Slane County and southern Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County and south central Illinois, Linton County and southern Illinois as well, until 7:45. At 6:55, a severe thunderstorm is located along the line extending from near Camry, or 7 miles west of North City, moving to the southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard's going to be 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. I'm seeing a little bit more of that now in this cell. You can tell I was just looking at the velocity scans here while you were on break. And, wow. Definitely some almost 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts here. 65 there I just showed. So quite a bit of damaging wind in the pockets of that one. We're still dealing with our warning here coming into Madisonville right now, and it is definitely pockets of over 60, showing about 65 there. And there definitely might be even stronger than that. Pockets of damaging wind gust here, and that's what we're looking at. Not necessarily a widespread damaging wind event, but pockets of damaging wind that we'll see tonight across the area. So the good thing is I don't think we're going to see that wide, broad area of damaging wind gust unless we get any microbursts that happen, and that's certainly possible as well. But I think it's going to be more of a scattered damaging wind event type of thing. But definitely some damage, definitely some power outages, certainly likely tonight across much of the area. So our northwestern warnings have not quite made it into Kentucky yet, still up here in Illinois. Still watching this one, 70 mile an hour for another 17 minutes. Coming into Madisonville, 2 minutes on that one. We'll see if they extend that any. But our strongest damaging wind gusts are, again, here in pockets. Let's see here. Highway 56 here. And then extending back down further toward Madisonville, just to the west of I-69. And that is the strongest actual part at the leading edge of the damaging wind gust. Just to the south of 120 here, tracking along Highway 41 and 138. And that's going to be tracking it directly in to Madisonville proper here pretty shortly. Alright.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
So we got another warning now. Let's go back over to relativity here. New warning being issued. That's for southwestern Spencer County and southwestern Indiana, eastern Davis County and northwestern Kentucky,
Attention,
north central
a new
Muhlenberg
flash flood
County
warning
and
has
south
been
central
issued.
Kentucky, eastern McLean County and northwestern Kentucky. Until 7:45 at 6:58, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from east of St. Joseph, or 7 miles southwest of Owensboro, moving to the southeast at 35 miles an hour. This is a 60 mile an hour wind gust hazard. Sources radar indicated. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Rockport, Calhoun, Livermore, Madisonville, Island. This includes Interstate 165 between mile markers 60 and 70, and Auburn Parkway between mile markers 20 and 23. So we're still watching our main warning here for another 14 minutes. Coming into Madisonville, I would say they're probably going to extend this down based off what we're seeing. So severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15. Southwestern Henderson, northeastern Crittenden, northeastern Caldwell, central Hopkins, Union, and Webster counties. At 6:44, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Robans to near Dixon and Breckenridge Center, moving to the southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard is 70 mile an hour wind gust, source of radar indicated. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 116 and 134. Still a considerable threat tag and radar indicated threat. So 43 minutes left on our new warning to the west of our main system that we've been tracking, and then the other warning just issued that we went over as soon as we come back from break of 60-mile-an-hour wind gust from Owensboro to the south. And one thing that I'm looking at, as it's developing, it's coming into more of a comma shape. And if that continues to take place, then we're going to have more of a threat of damaging wind gust this evening across southern western Kentucky and then down into northwest Tennessee. Northwest Tennessee, you all are not right now under any type of warning or watch right now, I don't believe. Let me make sure of that before I tell you. I don't believe they've added y'all into the watch yet. No, they have not. Northwest Tennessee most likely will be issued into a watch here shortly. I would say that they're going to extend Severe Thunderstorm Watch 516 down or issue a whole nother watch. That is to be determined from the Storm Prediction Center. And again, if it continues to form this comma shape, we're going to have some bigger problems with a widespread damaging wind threat. And that is what I'm getting concerned about. Just looking at how this thing's developing and coming together. So, considerable threat tag continuing for another 11 minutes. And see what they're going to do with that warning. Transfer back over to... Come on. There we go. So a lot of damaging wind about to come into Madisonville proper right now. Nobody up there that's in town need to be getting to a safe place. Looks like right about 60. It could be a little bit higher than that. National Weather Service is saying 70, so we'll go with that. So this is now all along I-69, so you're not in a safe place anywhere on 69 between, let's see here, what's this town? Stranglers and Elmwood. Elmwood South, let's call it, on 69 or 41 into Madisonville. You're getting rocked right now by some very strong damaging winds, probably very heavy rainfall and thunder and lightning. We also have this storm. My goodness. Alright, well, they just issued another warning on that. Alright, new warning, considerable threat tag, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. This is going to be for Muhlenberg County in central Kentucky,
A new considerable severe
northern
thunderstorm
Christian
warning
County
has been
in
issued.
central Kentucky, northeastern Caldwell County in western Kentucky, southeastern McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, northern Todd County in south central Kentucky, and southern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 7:45. At 7:05, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 6 miles to the southwest of Livermore or near Owen, moving to the south at 45 miles an hour. Hazard 70-mile-an-hour wind gust source emergency management. These storms have produce widespread tree and power line damage in Henderson County. So we already have confirmed damage now in Henderson County. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 88 and 129, Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 64, and Pennyrile Parkway between mile markers 11 and 34. So again, we have confirmed damage in Henderson County by emergency management, widespread tree and power damage. The storm is going to continue to track to the southwest. We now have the warning down into northern Christian County and northern Todd County. Get a new speed on that. I think it was still at 45, was it not? Yes. So we're going to do another track on this, give you an updated time. My goodness, what is this thing doing? Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is going to be Madisonville at 7:15, Nortonville at 7:30, Dawson Springs 7:36,
Attention,
Crofton
this
at
flash flood warning
7:44,
has been updated.
Hopkinsville at 8:03, Pembroke 8:14, Elton at 8:16. So that's our latest times right now. And my radar turned off, so let's turn that back on. And still watching this further to the west as well. It looks even stronger now. They don't have an update on that right at this moment. Alright, we've issued another severe thunderstorm warning. This is for central Ohio County in central Kentucky until 7:45. At 8:09, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Mainsville or near Calhoun and moving to the south at 35 miles an hour. Has a 60 mile an hour wind gust, radar indicated threat. So 60 mile an hour winds.
Attention,
That's on
a
their
new
storm
severe
system that's
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Owensboro to the south. That's the warning that just come across on the system. So all of our warnings to the west here are considerable threat tags. Lesser warnings to the east. I want to give you an update. Like I said, I haven't. Well, they just updated it.
New
so severe
information.
thunderstorm warning
This
remains in
severe
effect until
thunderstorm warning has been
7:45
updated.
for Southern White, Eastern Slane,
Attention, a
Southeastern
new special
Hamilton
marine
County,
warning
and
has been issued.
Gallatin counties. Up here in Illinois, at 7:10, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending 9 miles northwest of Uniontown, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour now. It's accelerated a little bit. 70 mile an hour wind gust.
Attention,
with the
a
system,
new special
it's
weather
threat
statement
tag
has been
now.
issued.
So that was increased to 50. So we're going to do that on our tracking. Let's track that one out.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Alright, so there's going to be Princeton at 7:57, Katie's at 8:18, Hopkinsville 8:27, Clarksville at 8:56. That's to the southeast at 50. So to repeat, for Hopkinsville warning, we also this is confirmed that we do have damage in Henderson County from this storm system. So be very mindful of that. Get to a sturdy building, away from doors and windows. Need to be taking this like you would a tornado warning. This definitely could be life-threatening if you're outdoors in any way. 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts, that's could produce up to a low-end tornado threat or tornado damage. So be mindful of that as it's moving to the southeast here through Madisonville now. It's affecting Madisonville proper as we speak. And wow, 65 mile-an-hour wind gust right there just to the south of Madisonville. Further off to the east here, 70 mile an hour here almost. It's Highway 70 to the east of I-69 at Madisonville. So this is definitely going to be a problem for northern Christian County, Greenville area, Dawson Springs possibly, and then again down into Hopkinsville. This one up here still has my eye as well. Tracking out of Illinois, has not made it into Kentucky yet, but it will be shortly. And it will track to the west of that other warning and come into Princeton and down into Cadiz. All right, let's take a little bit of a break. While we're not getting anything issued right now, I think we've pretty much got everybody updated at the moment of what is going on. Again, severe thunderstorm watch in effect on midnight tonight. Warnings in effect for another 30 minutes here for Christian County areas there, Todd County, and then we're watching the secondary storm considerable threat tag as well for another 30 minutes. We'll be back with you with more severe weather coverage here momentarily.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms, CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated radar confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornadoes.
Special weather statement has been issued.
A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. A tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you.
Attention.
3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to shelter well ahead of any severe weather and make sure everyone... And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
Alright, broke into that break. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. Another destructive severe thunderstorm warning now. Potentially dangerous situation.
A new destructive severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
This is going to be for Hardin County in southern Illinois, northeastern Pope County in southern Illinois, southeastern Slane County in southern Illinois, Gallatin County in southern Illinois, northern Crittenden County in western Kentucky, northwestern Livingston County in western Kentucky, southwestern Union County in western Kentucky. Until 8 o'clock tonight, at 7:17, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Shawneetown, or near Harrisburg, moving to the south at 45 miles an hour. This destructive storm will be near Shawneetown in the Garden of God's recreation area. Hazard is 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It's a radar indicated threat right now. Again, this is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Potentially dangerous situation. Need to be taking this like you would a tornado warning. Taking cover into a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Make sure that you're taking shelter from this storm. Okay, we're crossing Highway 1 here, just to the southwest of Shawneetown. And my goodness, this is what I've been watching for the last little bit here. I'm showing near 70. National Weather Service is showing 80. Yeah, well, there was some right there, even on my radar. So, this is going to be coming into the Marion, Kentucky area shortly. Let's see what that speed was one more time. Southeast at 45. So, let's put a track on this. Change our speed around again.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Okay. All right, and this is going to put this in Marion at 7:57, Eddyville at 8:18, Princeton 8:22, Katie's 8:44. So this destructive
Attention, a
storm
new special
moving to
weather
the
statement
southeast
has
here.
been issued.
Destructive warned right now. So again, Swanee National Forest at 7:31. Marion 7:57, Eddyville 8:18, Princeton 8:22, Katie's 8:44. This continues to form this almost comma shape here, so that's very concerning for damaging winds and widespread damaging winds. Would not be surprised to see this further intensify as well, and those 80-mile-an-hour plus winds to be impacting further into the Caldwell-Princeton area, and then further down into the Cadiz area, eventually down into Stewart and Montgomery County, Tennessee's counties as well. Let's take a look at what our storm's doing over here south of Madisonville now. I'm going to swap radars over. Alright, so we're south of Madisonville, crossing Highway 62 just to the west of Central City. And then you're going to be coming, it's basically going to be running I-69 further to the south down into the Crofton and Hopkinsville area. Strongest damaging wind gust right now I'm seeing with this crossing I-69 at the intersection of I-69 and 62 near the Peabody Wildland area. So yeah, that was one of our other team members, Derek Fowler. He's come on and currently watching radar right now as well. Basically seeing the same thing I'm seeing right now of pretty destructive storms moving to the southeast now through western Kentucky for the remainder of the evening. And then eventually down into northwest Tennessee. It is 7:25. This evening, again, we've got several severe thunderstorm warnings, a considerable threat tag, and a destructive threat tag. Potentially dangerous situation with this warning here. Again, that warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. That's going to be for northwestern Livingston County and western Kentucky, southwestern Union County, northern Crittenden County, Gallatin County in southern Illinois, Slane County in southern Illinois, and northern Pope County in southern Illinois, and Hardin County in southern Illinois. That's our main there. So, that said, as this gets closer, we may actually have to deploy out. Still trying to see who I'm actually going to have out in the field.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm watch has been issued.
So we got a new severe thunderstorm watch issued out, it says. Or latest update 5.16. We'll see. My thinking is they extended 5.16 down into Tennessee, but I don't see where they've changed anything. Really? Give me just a second, y'all. Let me try to figure this out. Yeah. It says that, and we have the same
Attention,
watch.
a new special weather statement has been issued.
Alright, nothing's changed as of right now from what I see on the watch. We're still in effect until midnight tonight for Severe Thunderstorm Watch 5.16. Destructive tag continuing for another 31 minutes. Considerable threat tag continuing for their 16 minutes down here in toward the Christian County area. So swap radar sources to look into this one. Still crossing 62 here. Intersection of 62 and I-69. Right here at Morton's Gap. And to the west, or correction, to the east of Morton's Gap, up 62. That's where we're seeing those strongest winds right now, pushing to the south into Highway 189 here, and continuing along I-69. Good news is we haven't had any tornado warnings, but still stuff that should be taken as serious as a tornado warning, being that we have these considerable and destructive
Attention,
tags.
a new special marine warning has been issued.
Again, so far this evening, no actual tornado warnings as of yet. Hopefully it stays that way.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Alright, no updates. Constructive warning continuing another 27 minutes. Got 12 minutes left on our considerable warning to the east. Let's take a look at our velocity scans.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Man, this is still looking nasty. Over 60. There's definitely could be some 80 up in there.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
If we get another destructive warning out of this storm, which quite possibly, if we get another destructive warning here, we're going to deploy. Because most likely we're going to lose this stream anyways once we start having power issues. And it's not going to take long
New
with a
information.
destructive warning like
This
this.
severe thunderstorm warning has been
So we're going to
updated.
continue to monitor it. If we get another destructive warning, we're going to deploy out. Right now, still 25 minutes left on our destructive warning here. Coming into western Kentucky with that storm system, 80 mile an hour wind gust. So that's going to continue to track further down here. So, yes, Tennessee counties. You now have a mesoscale discussion out down here for you all. Just thinking it was going to. Alright. So you got a 60% chance of watch being issued down here in Tennessee. Clarksville, Tennessee, Stewart County, Tennessee, all the way over through Nashville, Murfreesboro, all the way down through to the Tennessee state line. And far west into Jackson.
New information. This special marine warning has been
well.
updated.
60% chance of watch being issued down here for our Tennessee counties. Figured that was coming with what we've got going on up here. Alright, I want to see if we've got anything else other than that mesoscale discussion from the Storm Prediction Center. Actually has the storm reports already out. So let's see what they are real quick. Alright, all of these mainly in Missouri. We got 17 wind reports now in Illinois. Henderson, Illinois, power line down. Let's see, Union, multiple trees, power lines down near south of Uniontown. Approximately 50% of Union County is without power. Davis, Kentucky, so that's Owensboro, Wires down along Kentucky 56. So that's the latest we have on our reports from the Storm Prediction Center that we're actually getting in through them. So no new update other than that watch possible
New
for
information. This severe
Tennessee, you see down
thunderstorm
here in
warning
blue.
has been updated.
Alright, destructive tag continuing here. Let's see if we got another update on this. We do not. Alright, our considerable tag. Let's see if we get an update on it. It's due for another 7 minutes. We do not.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Alright, warning to the west over here. Apparently it's been updated. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45. This includes southwestern Ohio County. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, radar indicated threat. Okay, that's the latest over there. Continue to watch some strong winds coming up through here. 60 to 70 mile an hour wind gust. It's south of I-69 at Madisonville. We're in Nortonville area now, over toward between Nortonville and Greenville. Also, some back to the west of I-69, extending back over just to the west of Nortonville and just east of Dawson Springs. Alright, we're still keeping an eye on our destructive warning over here, and it is continuing. Continuing to keep pace. $20 minutes left on our considerable our warning here. Okay, we just got an extension on our warning over in Hopkinsville. Considerable threat tag for another hour and 5 minutes now. Okay, this is for Hopkinsville warning. It's considerable threat tag. National Weather Service in Paducah issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Muhlenberg County and central Kentucky, east central Caldwell County and western Kentucky, southern Hopkins County and northwestern Kentucky, Todd County and south central Kentucky until 8:45. At 7:39, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Properly or 6 miles southeast of Nortonville to near Dawson Springs, moving to the southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard at 70 mile an hour wind gusts. The public reported 70 mile an hour wind gusts in Arlington, Kentucky around 7:30. Source is public. So they did get a public report of a 70 mile an hour wind gust in Arlington. That is a still radar indicated threat for hail. 0.5 inch diameter wind threat is observed by public now with this warning. Continue to track our destructive warning. That's in effect for the 19 minutes now. I have a feeling we're going to get an extension to that warning here very shortly. Most likely going to include parts of Lyon and Caldwell County. And if we get another warning issued and it's destructive, we're going to go out, going to end the stream and go out in the field. Just like I said, because we normally would do that, and also we will most likely lose this stream if we continue to see this strong of damaging wind gust coming through if it comes into Trigg County. Where we're located right now, Hopkinsville, internet comes from over there, so we could see some interruption there as well. Probably seeing a pretty wicked chef cloud coming into Hopkinsville right now. Sure I can pull any cameras up from over there, but I'm sure
special weather
it's pretty
statement
wicked
has been
looking
issued.
coming into or getting ready to come into Hopkinsville proper, tracking down I-69. Should be getting ready to issue that destructive warning. Over here. Alright, good news on this. A little bit of good news. Hopefully this continues to be the track. But as of right now, not seeing as strong of damaging wind gust in here. Hopefully we'll be able to go down to a considerable threat tag. Hopefully.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
We'll see what the National Weather Service does in the next warning that they issue. Alright, continuing for another 1 hour, considerable threat tag. That's now in effect for the entirety of Christian County. Southern,
a new
southwestern
special weather
Muhlenberg
statement
County,
has been issued.
east central Caldwell County, southern Hopkins County, and the entirety of Todd County, included in a severe thunderstorm warning until 8:45. At 8:39, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Pardley or 6 miles southwest of Nortonville to near Dawson Springs, moving to the southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard 70 mile an hour wind gusts. Public reported 70 mile an hour wind gusts at Arlington at 7:30 p.m.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yeah, that's outside of our area. The system just issued another warning. We don't have a new one in our area as of yet. I would say we're probably getting ready to get one for parts of Caldwell County as well as parts of Lyon County. We'll see how far they take it now.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Alright, new warning issued. Considerable threat tag, 70 mile an hour wind gust. Alright, this is going to be southwestern Hardin County in southern Illinois. Southeastern Pope County in southern Illinois, Crittenden County in western Kentucky, Livingston County in western Kentucky, Caldwell County in western Kentucky, northern Marshall County in western Kentucky, northern Trigg County in
Attention, a
western
new
Kentucky,
considerable severe
Lyon County in
thunderstorm
western
warning has been
Kentucky
issued.
until 8:30. At 7:46, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Crosswell or 6 miles north of Salem to near Golconda and moving to the southeast at 50 miles an hour. Law enforcement confirmed damaging wind gust. Let's see here. 70 mile an hour wind gusts. These storms have produced wind damage in Ridgeway in southern Illinois. It is law enforcement confirmed. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 17 and 67. It includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 46 and 88. Again, severe thunderstorm warning for a long list here. Southwestern Hardin County, southeastern Pope County, Crittenden County, Livingston
Attention,
County,
a new
Caldwell
special
County,
weather statement has
northern
been issued.
Marshall County, northern Trigg County, and Lyon County until 8:30. So it's a considerable threat tag as well. Continue to track this. Pushing now to the southeast, I stepped on the gas a little bit. We're back up to 50 miles an hour. We were back down to 45 and stepped it back up again. So let's track it out again. I'm going to go ahead and run this out to parts of Tennessee. So Eddyville, 807, Princeton, 809, Dawson Springs, 816, Cadiz, 828, Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area at 835, Dover at 858, Clarksville at 908 with this storm. Let's see what our velocity's doing. If it starts to fire back up again, that's when we're going to deploy.
New information. This special marine
Keep an eye
warning
on it.
has been updated.
$40 on that warning for all of those counties that were listed. So I'll go through them one more time. Southwestern Hardin County, southeastern Pope County, Crittenden County, Livingston County, Caldwell County, northern Marshall County, northern Trigg County, and Lyon County included in all that warning until 8:30. Let's take a look at our velocity scans on our Christian County warning again. Still right here at 69, coming into Hopkinsville area, just north of Crofton. We've got another pocket of damaging wind gust over here to the east of I-69 on Highway 189 area and 171. So that's over toward Todd County as well. Okay, we got our warning over here to the west. Still quite a bit of damaging winds showing up with this. It's coming across, it's getting ready to cross into Kentucky. Highway 60 here at Marion. Getting ready to see some damaging winds. Highway 60 between Smithland and Marion. And we'll see how this pans out as we go further to the south here into the Eddyville and the northern part of Land Between the Lakes. see here. Anything new from SPC? Not since our watch possible down here, so they're still looking at you in Northwest Tennessee and Middle Tennessee for another watch. It looks like if it's issued, it would be Severe Thunderstorm Watch 517, I believe. Yeah, 517 would be that watch number if it's issued, which most likely will be.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Alright, continuing to watch our velocity scans as this pushes into
this flash flood warning has been updated.
northern part of Hawkinsville, Christian County, Crofton area still under the gun.
This flash flood warning has been updated.
Back to the east, across Highway 189 and 171 area, just to the east of I-69 and along it. Okay, we're going to swap back over to Paducah and take a look at our storm over here. Coming into Marion now. Starting to see some damaging wind gusts. Starting to come into Marion a little bit. Coming across Highway 60. The leaning edge of this storm system. And the stronger part. Back up in here toward, let's see, Cave and Rock area.
Attention,
back to the west
a new
of it,
special marine warning has been issued.
Illinois. Again, I want to say both of our warnings right now, considerable threat tags, not destructive. Still should be taken very seriously. Considerable threat tag is one step up in our normal warning. So still need to be taken as serious as we would if it was destructive or anything like that. So I want to treat it kind of like we would a tornado warning, low-end tornado warning. So get into an interior room, away from doors and windows. I don't want to say that you need to actually get down right now or anything like that, but make sure that we're in a room.
Attention, this flash
away from doors and windows
and
we're safe. Not saying we need to be getting into our tornado shelters necessarily right now. If you're in Eddyville, if you're down in Decatur, nothing to freak out over at the moment. We're watching it. But considerable threat tag is definitely something that we need to turn our attention to. You have anybody that's doing any outdoor activities or had any outdoor activities going on today, maybe they're tuned out of the weather, need to be tuning back into things and saying, hey, this is coming in. Definitely, if you know anybody that's been out on the lake today, make sure that they're off the lake now or headed in. Definitely don't want to be out on the lakes with this stuff coming in. Hopefully they did that when the watch was issued out.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So our damaging wind gusts now coming in through the Marion, Midway, Highway 60 at Salem. and that's going to be pushing further to the south into leading edge now, just coming into Fredonia, and then that'll eventually track further down into Eddyville area. A little bit of a notch right here. Let me look at velocity on that again. Yeah, a little bit of a notch, leading edge notch here. Highway 902 and 91, right here at Eddyville, or Fredonia rather. Alright, since we don't have any destructive warnings right now, let's go to break. Be back right back with you.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing using Radar Omega. From our chasers out in the storms, CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR Storm Chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on at lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornado. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA weather radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. The tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather, and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today. Now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
All right, we're back with you. We got the same warnings that we had before. No change here. Considerable threat tag, severe thunderstorm warning, continuing for northern Tree County, up through the Eddyville area, Lyon County, Caldwell County, up through the Marion area. Marion, you're on the back side of things.
A new special weather statement
Back
has been
over
issued.
into our Christian County warning, Hopkinsville. You're getting ready to see this line push in. Over here, let's take a look at our velocity scans. Coming into Hopkinsville now.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
And pretty gusty winds here, 60 mile an hour, 70 mile an hour here. Just coming through I-69 down into Hopkinsville.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And then we've got this storm system further to the west back here. Strongest part crossing Highway 60. And then coming into the Fredonia area. Right now, and then pushing further down into the Eddyville area here pretty soon. Careful on a reflectivity, Eddyville, you're on the leading edge of the actual line. Okay, so we've got our severe thunderstorm warning, considerable threat tag,
Attention, a
27
new
or
special
26
marine
minutes left on
warning has
this
been
warning.
issued.
Southwestern Hardin County in Illinois, eastern Pope County in Illinois, Crittenden County, Livingston County, Caldwell County, northern Marshall County, northern Trigg County, and Lyon County in western Kentucky. In effect until 8:30. It is 8:04 right now. Hazard 70 mile an hour wind gusts. Storms have been producing damaging winds with tree damage. Again, this includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 17 and 67. It includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 46 and 88. All right, let's go over this warning again. 40 minutes left on that warning. That's for southwestern Muhlenberg County, Christian County, east central Caldwell County, southern Hopkins County, and Todd County until 8:45. At 8:39, a severe thunderstorm is located along a line extending from near Pardley, or 6 miles to the southeast of Nortonville, to near Dawson Springs, moving to the southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard 70 mile an hour wind gusts. Public reported 70 mile an hour winds in Arlington around 7:30. No new reports with that system as of right now.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I want to be watching velocity. I want to see if this storm system picks up any more juice here. It's getting ready to come into the lane between the lakes area here very shortly. Still a considerable threat tag on both of these warnings.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Tennessee counties, I'm not sure why they haven't went ahead and pulled the trigger, at least on some of these northwestern counties, of a watch. I believe I would have by now, but we'll see what they do.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. New information, this special marine warning has been updated.
Okay, we've got a new outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for the remainder of the evening. They've extended the slight risk all the way down and through Middle Tennessee and all the way down to the Tennessee state line. They've extended the marginal risk for northern Alabama down into east central Alabama. Alright, it is 8:06. We've been online covering this for about an hour and 46 minutes now. These storms, as they tracked out of Illinois into northwestern Kentucky, and now they are coming into central western Kentucky right now. And we do have two considerable threat tags.
A new special weather statement has been issued.
Okay. We got an update on our Christian County and Todd County warnings that has been downgraded. So severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 for central Muhlenberg, southern
New information.
Christian County,
this
and Todd
severe
County.
thunderstorm warning has been
At
updated.
8:07, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from near Dunmore or near 10 miles northwest of Elton or 7 miles southwest of Crofton. Moving to the southeast at 30 miles an hour, hazard 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, source radar indicated. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 73 and 92. Penarrow Parkway in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 17. So we do not have a considerable threat tag on our Christian County or Todd County warnings. Still considerable threat tag over here for our western counties. For another 20 minutes, we'll see what the storm's going to continue to do as it pushes down into the Eddyville-Lyon County area right now. The good news is it's not looking as strong as it was. This one's showing a little bit of a stronger pocket here just to the east of Eddyville, crossing I-69 just to the between Eddyville and Princeton.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm watch has been issued.
Okay, we did get a new watch that's been issued, so let's take a look at that. And they finally did it. Yes, they did. Okay, 517 has been issued. A severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for portions of western and middle Tennessee until 1 a.m. Let's see here. Until 1 a.m. Scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 mile an hour likely. It's the only thing that is possible with this warning, or this watch rather. We've got a low wind tornado threat, very low EO2 tornado plus. Moderate severe wind gust, low wind 65 plus damaging wind gust, very low hail threat, very low 2-inch hail plus threat. This includes, well, my computer will help me. So we're pretty much all of all of north, I would say western and central middle Tennessee. So this includes Clarksville, Stewart, Montgomery counties. Does include Nashville, Davidson County area, all the way down to the Tennessee and Alabama and Mississippi state lines. Okay, so we're getting more damaging wind gusts now coming in. This is going to be 109 and 91 coming just to the north of Hopkinsville. And then looks like we're starting to break out again here. It's pretty significant damaging wind gusts coming in now. I-69 and I-24 interchange just to the south.
Attention,
East, or southwest
a new
of
severe
Princeton,
thunderstorm warning has been
along
issued.
293. Okay, they've issued another warning now, including parts of Montgomery County, Tennessee now. Severe thunderstorm warning. This is from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Nashville. Issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County, Tennessee, northeastern Stewart County and Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County and Middle Tennessee, western Robinson County and Middle Tennessee until 8:15. At 8:12, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line near Pembroke, or 8 miles west of Elton, moving to the southeast at 40 miles an hour, hazard 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and radar indicated threat. This includes Clarksville, Springfield, Oak Grove, Fort Campbell, Coopertown, Guthrie, Pleasant View, Adams, Cedar Hill, Cumberland City, Palmyra, Woodlawn, and Cunningham. This includes Interstate 24 between markers 1 and 28.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm watch has been issued.
So we do have, again, we have that severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued.
Attention,
Now
a
for
new
that
severe
area.
thunderstorm warning has been
And a
issued.
warning issued moments later for parts of Cheatham, Montgomery County, northeastern Stewart County, northern Cheatham County, and western Robinson County. So, yes, you just had a watch issued down here.
Attention,
for
a new severe thunderstorm
severe
warning
thunderstorm
has
watch,
been
which
issued.
means conditions are favorable for development of severe weather. Now you've been issued a warning just moments later. So a warning means you need to be taking precaution and going ahead and get into an interior room, away from doors and windows, and get a storm's actively coming in now. Alright, so we've been downgraded past a considerable threat tag, but we now have a tornado possible tag with the storm system.
New
Severe
information.
thunderstorm warning
This
remains
severe
in effect until
thunderstorm warning
8:30
has been
for
updated.
southwestern Crittenden, southeastern Livingston, Caldwell, northeastern Marshall, and northeastern Trigg and Lyon counties. At 8:14, a severe thunderstorm was located along the
New
line extending
information.
from near
This
Dawson
severe
Springs to near
thunderstorm warning has been
Numbers
updated.
Bay Campground to near 7 miles north of Calvert City, moving to the south at 55 miles an hour now. It is a 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. Law enforcement at 8:10, law enforcement reported trees and power lines down in Crittenden County with the storm system. It's going to be including Interstate 24 Kentucky between mile markers 19 and 67, Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 46 and 87. So we've dropped our
New
considerable threat
information.
tag
This severe thunderstorm
and
warning has
exchanged
been
that
updated.
with a tornado possible tag. Clarksville, Montgomery County, if anybody are watching from down there, you're watching the storm systems currently in Hopkinsville right now. It's going to cross over the Kentucky-Tennessee state line here shortly, and then further down into Montgomery County and Cheatham County, as well as parts of Stewart County, eastern Stewart County there. All right. And Stewart County, you're also going to have this other storm system that we're watching now that's going to be coming into Trigg County shortly as well. So right now we do have our severe thunderstorm warning that was issued, and I don't want people to get this mixed up. You do have a watch that was issued moments ago from the Storm Prediction Center, National Weather Service, Nashville. Went ahead, pulled the trigger on a severe thunderstorm warning for these counties down here from Montgomery County, Cheatham County area for the storm system that's up here in Hopkinsville right now.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Maybe a little bit confusing that both of those come out at pretty much the same time, but moments apart. They mean totally opposite things. So watch, it's possible, warning, to be getting into our safe place and knowing where we're going to be. All right. Let's go back over here. A little bit of rotation possible in some of these areas. We'll keep an eye on it. Other damaging wind gusts still trying to fill in here and behind all of this. But continuing not to look as strong as it did earlier. Alright, let's go on a little bit of break until we have any other updates on our warnings. Another 9 minutes left on our current warning in northern Tree County. We'll see what they're going to do with that. 24 minutes on our Christian County warning. And our Tennessee warning, still another hour, almost 54 minutes left on that warning down there. Probably not going to stay with you live on that one unless it is a considerable threat tag, gets updated or something like that. But as of right now, once the storms move past Hopkinsville and Cadiz, unless we have any special tags or anything like that, we're going to cut it loose. But as of right now, we're going to go to break and see what happens with this other warning here covering parts of Trigg County.
You're watching severe weather coverage from CFR Storm Chasing. Using Radar Omega.
New severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
From our chasers out in the storms. CFR Storm Chasing rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online to ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR storm chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
A severe thunderstorm watch means. Conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on at lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce. And now here is Damon Claude and the CFR team back with more severe weather information.
All right, we are back. We got another warning that was this issued out now.
Attention,
National
a new
Weather Service in
severe
Paducah
thunderstorm warning has
issuing
been
a severe
issued.
thunderstorm warning for eastern Caldwell County in western Kentucky, southeastern Livingston County in western Kentucky, southwestern Christian County in north central Kentucky, Caldwell County in western Kentucky, eastern Marshall County in western Kentucky, Trigg County in western Kentucky, Lyon County in western Kentucky until 9:30. At 8:22, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Cobb to near Woodlands Nature Station to near Hellman Ferry Campground, moving to the southeast at 60 miles an hour now. This includes Princeton, Cadiz, Eddyville, Hellman Ferry Campground, Golden Pond Visitor Center, Wranglers Campground, Energy Lake Campground, Woodlands Nature Station, Turkey Bay. Includes the Land Between the Lakes Recreation Area. Okay, Rock Castle, Catawba, Grand Rivers, and Lafayette. It includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 28 and 73. It includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 68 and 87. So we have a 60 mile an hour wind gust. It's a radar indicated threat right now. This storm system has produced damage to the north and west of this area. Continues to look a little bit more weaker as it's pushed to the southeast now. Not as looking as strong as it was. Nevertheless, severe thunderstorm warning being issued now for another hour and 5 minutes for the remainder of Trigg County. And let's see here. Just to the... Oh, it's not going to let me click on it again. There we go. A long list here. So I'll go through it again. Eastern Callaway County in western Kentucky. Southeastern Livingston County. Southwestern Christian County. Caldwell County. Eastern Marshall County. Trigg County. And Lyon County. Again, that's in effect until 9:30 for a 60 mile an hour wind gust and small hail. Alright. And there's no tornado possible tag. And there's no... threat tags with these warnings now. Tornado possible warning being dropped in about 4 minutes.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Alright, so with that said, we're going to get ready to drop the stream now. Not expecting a whole lot with this. Could be seeing some power outages out there tonight. Make sure that you're getting watches and warnings, especially if you live further down here in Tennessee. If we see any strengthening of things, we'll pop back on. I'll also give you an update if we see anything out there as far as damage-wise here in Trigg County as the storm system pushes through. But again, severe thunderstorm warning remaining in effect for another hour and 3 minutes for the southern part of Trigg County, central part of Trigg County, and then another 18 minutes over here for the Hopkinsville area, and another warning in effect down here in Tennessee for Montgomery and Cheatham County for another 48 minutes. Again, severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect, and it's probably going to be shaved off until midnight tonight for western Kentucky, and then 1 a.m. For western and middle Tennessee as we move in to later on tonight. That is all we have for your severe weather coverage as of right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and we'll catch you on the next one.
CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR
New
with our new
information.
system and our
This
IT
special
needs.
marine warning has been
We would
updated.
highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today.